Hello, good day everyone. I've Sorrento Basel and Raymark Timario are going to discuss about the case study. A case study is a method of research regarding any specific questions, which allows a person to investigate on why and how it happens. Based on education, a case study is that who can use the research for many purposes. It lets the student describe various factors and interaction with each other in authentic context. So it offers multiple learning opportunities and experience for scholars by influencing the diverse practice of theories. Okay, so before we explain the significance of case study, let us first explain what is case study. Case study is a method of teaching using a case or story with a hidden message, which students explore to make a decision or solve a problem, developing specific skills and knowledge through inquiry. Good and Buffy 2008, Kellen 2009. The case study is a technique that involves presenting a real or fictitious situation to be discussed in groups. In distance education, this strategic teaching can be used quite success. It can be used with different objectives, but it serves as motivation because it usually involves a situation, believable conflict, likely to be diversely interpreted by students, develops the analytical ability, encourages decision making, and lastly, the scientific spirit and teamwork. Case study is pedagogically constructivist method of teaching with emphasis on student engagement for the challenging and reconstruction of their understanding. It very clear that case study is a constructivist method of teaching. So it is hands-on, more on more on teamwork, kumbaga. Now let's proceed to why is it important to use case study as teaching strategy. Using case study as a teaching strategy enables students to reason critically about situations and propose appropriate courses of action. Second is case study uncover values, perspectives, and ideas of classmates, resulting in students examining their own understandings, learning to deeper analysis of concepts, ideas, and solutions. It means that it is also considered the source of valuable data regarding diversity and complexity of educational commitments and also the settings. It plays a vital role in putting theories into regular practice. It always necessary for the student to realize a clarity in nature and focus of the case studies, considering the significance. Lastly, the valuable social and ethical tool, complex planning may result from individual learning needs of the students. As we all know, no, there are dili yun nato malikayan ang diversity of the students. There are different intelligence that we met. It is us who will adjust and find the solution on which strategy would we use regarding on their ability to learn. In considerations, the planning process must also consider the cases to be used and whether they are detailed and exclusive enough to nurture a valuable skill set which is transferable across the curricula. Teachers generally start by having students read a case or watch a video that summarizes the case. Students then work in a small groups or individually to solve a case study. So teachers must set milestones defining what students should accomplish to help them manage their time. So, so it is also need to use as a teaching tool because case studies are tools for engaging students in research and reflective discussion. So higher order thinking is encouraged. So solutions to cases may be ambiguous and facilitate creative problem solving coupled with a complicable previously acquired skill. So no, it's very important. So in distance education pod, a case can be presented in several ways. So through a description, narration, dialogue, written or audio, scenes from a movie, a newspaper, article, etc. So depending on the goal that is established. So that's all for my report and it will be continued by Mr. Temario.